Hello all and welcome back. In this tutorial, I am going to show you an alternate design tool for PowerPoint using which you can create wide variety of diagrams pretty easily. This tool is Wondershare EdrawMax, and as an example, I am going to create this Easter card in this tutorial. So let's get started. Let me first open up the blank drawing, and under the page layout, let me go to page setup and then set the custom page size of a postcard. Let the unit be pixels and then enter the size values as 360 into 607. Set page orientation to portrait and then click on OK. Now let me go to background color option and then apply a shade of red color as shown. Next, under the basic drawing shapes, drag and place the rectangle shape over the artboard. Adjust the size as required. Remove its outline and change its fill color. I also have few inbuilt assets under my library section. Let me select the first asset and place it over the artboard as shown. Now duplicate this asset using Ctrl+D and then under the Home tab, go to Rotate option and then flip it vertically. Now drag and place it over the other corner as shown. Next, select both the shapes holding down Shift key and then drag them holding down Ctrl and Shift keys to create the duplicates and place them at the bottom two corners. Again, go to Rotate option and this time flip them horizontally. That looks perfect. Next, select all the assets using Ctrl+A, drag them holding down Ctrl and Shift keys and place them as shown. That will be the right side portion of our Easter card. Let's quickly drag and drop other assets and arrange them as per the design requirement. Finally, under Home tab, select the text option. Draw a text box on the Easter card and then type in your custom message. Increase the font size to 16 maybe, and then align the text as required. That's it. Here is the final preview. EdrawMax has something called Templates Community, where all the designers contribute their work and all other users can use them readily. Say for example, you need a Easter card. Just type in and search for it. You will get bunch of readily available Easter card designs. Similarly, let's search for flowchart, floor plan, education, and so on. You can search for any category and you will find many templates ready to use. So feel free to check it out. One final important announcement. Right now, there is a promotion going on account of Easter Festival, and EdrawMax products are available at 60% off. I have provided all the necessary links in the video description below. Just go and grab the deal. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.